Huh?
The son of a shepherd has returned! Prepare yourself for a merciless strike! Will release his rage now!
Robot bounty hunter.
Must throw beat some sense into that overcooked noodle that you call a head! You are trying my patience, and that is not good, as I am the son of a shepherd!
I ain't touching that.
That's gonna be me!
Huh?
Don't seize it. Goodbye, Pinocchio. All that hard work.
Holy mackerel! The burden of hospitality is too great for all!